Now about product goals. Develop foundational math knowledge and skills. Number sense. To understand number is a very, very important to learn math. Understanding numbers and being able to perform various operations with numbers, it's absolutely crucial and essential. Again, right now what's going on in classrooms, they're teaching them numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but there is no connection. They have not developed a connection between these numbers from the beginning, and that's why they teach them separately addition and subtraction, and it's very difficult for kids to understand the number by itself and operation with the numbers. For kids, it's different. They're staying aside by itself, and it's very, very difficult to understand. Our methodology is just each brick with everything connected, and it's absolutely essential and crucial to present them numbers the right way. Ability to apply math knowledge to a real-world context. Solving problems in real-world context, solving word problems. But actually, in our case, it's not everything what's going on. Not only word problems are in real world, everything in real world context. It's wider than word problems. Pablo is here, and now he can add about numbers.
Yeah, so my comment was about working with numbers. So this sounds simple, but actually includes lots of different aspects. For example, understanding counting, understanding cardinality, being able to compare numbers. But for that, you need first to compare quantities of objects, and so on and so on. And then laying out foundation for operations, so working first adding and subtracting on sets of objects, then moving slowly to mathematical expressions of containing addition and subtraction, understanding number composition, and only then, after that, actually performing the addition and subtraction. So in order to really do this, to achieve the skill, you need to do a lot of other things. So it's not as simple as it sounds.
Yeah, and again, it will be, we put together very, very interesting presentation from our point of view about methodology we're using, about how we're developing this number sense, how we're coming from number to algebra. And it's very interesting, it's fascinating. Or another line, how we're teaching them to solve word problem, fascinating. And we are planning to put also another logic, how we're presenting and teaching them to solve logical problems. And now we're in logic, being able to derive a rule from which a certain pattern is composed, and apply that rule to continue the pattern or fill in missing elements. And it's just not everything we have in logic section, it's just only one like example, but in each and every lesson the last exercise is logic exercise. And that means if we have 300 lessons, we have at least 300 logic exercises. Any questions?
Just to add some examples of logic problems other than patterns would be problems on process of elimination, combinatorial reasoning about order. So there are really many kinds of them.
Yeah, and connect math to the surrounding world. Learning takes place in a virtual but realistic world. This shows students that math is all around them, not just inside the classroom wall. We make these walls disappear. And we put together a small video, and I don't want to go to this video right now because of time, but I think that you will have you will have then you will have a chance to go through it. The same here, inspire interest in learning. Young children, this is very important and crucial point. Young children learn through play. If you will open any book starting from Vygotsky, and Vygotsky, this is the starting point of all psychology courses or whoever. Vygotsky is a starting point. Young children learn through play. Don't try to create very strict learning environment. It should be playful. That's why we put a lot of songs, animations, music, creating a visual connotations. They understand it much better, and we see how kids react to that. I don't know how many of you see this song. It's short. I will show you.
I'm the hungry crocodile, and here's my hungry smile. I'm always facing to the side with the biggest pile. The other pile is way too small. I never face that way at all. I never face that way at all.
And we have a lot of songs like that in our course. Foster mindset and approach to learn. We teach students that they should not be afraid to make mistakes, only positive, and it's the same approach in all our products, but especially here, that's okay. It's okay to make mistakes. Let's do it together. You will do it next time. And immediate feedback. Great. Great job. You did it. We teach them to listen. Again, very important. Them to listen to the explanation, and if they do make mistake, try again. The entire course, and we've been thinking and thinking. These kids, when they see something on the screen, they immediately would like to do something. That's why we build this course. Each screen, each exercise start with the question. We're asking them a question. Even if it's new material, we are putting this question in such a way that they still can answer. Because a lot of things we are doing in pre-K, and some things in K, for them it's actualization. Like colors or positions, under, above. Some of these things they know, but maybe they didn't pay attention to that. Maybe they forgot. We need to repeat, go with them, repeat it. It's actualization. And if they did not answer this question, then we have very deep, very deep incorrect branches, and we are explaining them. But each and every screen start with the question. If child did not answer, then we are talking, then we explain. And again, we will analyze how many kids are going to the bottom of our explanation, to our scaffolding, and how many of them just on the same exercise are still at doing the similar exercises, similar activities are still at the bottom after several lessons. We are just planning to analyze it. problem-solving skills. Students learn to show the steps for solving a problem, not just to give an answer. The other goal is to teach them follow instructions. It's very important. Listen, follow instruction. Listen, follow instruction.
Check your answer.
Yeah, check your answer. And again, if you would like to see this video here, you are very welcome.